We've all learned to be super competent in Illustrator and Photoshop and After Effects and all these programs. I think that it will be, AI can be like our third arm in helping to actually render all of these amazing thoughts that people have and all these amazing ideas and articulate things in a different way. And I think there's a technological sort of gap where we all often have these ideas and we're still figuring out how to program them. So I think that there will be that gap is going to be filled in a really interesting way that, like I said, I can't even fathom yet exactly how that's going to work. But I think it's exciting and it's different, and it's the positive potential and the positive power is massive. And so I think that it's just going to create more accessibility to bringing more incredible ideas and thinking to life. But I actually think that counter to that is that the development of AI and the opportunities of using online tools and resources is actually going to change how we work. At the core of all of what we do, and this is actually in our process how we start, we always sketch everything. We draw everything. We fill up an entire wall with just sketches and ideas. And that's something that will never be replaced, the thinking and the idea generation. Sure, there might be tools that help that, but I think that what comes from our minds will always be unique. Our task is to curate. It is to make sure that what we're looking at, what we're sharing is creative and unique and on strategy, but also that it's beautiful and that it's inspiring. And I think those things come from a human heart and a human mind. I don't think AI will replace those.